maintenance, welcome back. Today we're gonna show you how to stain, treat and varnish your cabinets before installation. You know, this wood, a finished ply from the Home Depot, and sometimes when you pick them up from the Home Depot or the hardware store, they has termites in the wood, termites that you cannot see, and that's when you start seeing little particles, little white dust particles dropping. That's termite eating the wood. So to prevent that, before you varnish or paint your cabinet wood, you treat it. There's other products on the market, but I find this product to work very well. Bora-Care. And the way you use that product, you mix it 50-50 with warm water, warm or hot water. So you add some water and you add 50-50 with this product, and you just use a brush and you just brush it on. I've already treated this piece. Just brush it on, saturate it and let it dry. And when it's dry, that's when you begin the process of staining. Now, this is the original color of this wood from the Home Depot. This is the original color. I don't like the original color. I just wanted to enhance the original color. And I'm gonna stain this to enhance the color. So, first step is I got a bunch of stain here. This is my stain kit. Different colors, all different stains. All different colors for different kind of wood. So now the wood is dried and you build the cabinet and you want to enhance the color. So before enhancing the color, you want to take care of all those little nail holes or screw holes, pinholes, scratches that you may have in the wood. There's different filler you could use, a different wood filler. There's multiple different colors you could get at the Home Depot. Or this is a crayon, also a filler you could use and fill all your little nail holes and pinholes, but I'm not gonna be doing that today. This is my cabinet, and just for some storage in the kitchen, and I'm not gonna get very fancy with it. It's not for a boat, so I'm not gonna be doing all those pinholes, but that's what you would have used if you wanted different colors. There's multiple different colors, the color that would match. Also, sometimes I use the pen, the coloring pens. You get a pack from the Home Depot and there's multiple different colors here. So you got some colors that doesn't match or the wood filler doesn't match, you use the pen and you just color it in. So that works as well. So now we want to enhance the color of the wood. This is the natural color of the wood. We want to enhance the color. I'm gonna use a mahogany stain, and it's just easier to use a rag, dip the rag into the product and just rub it on. Get it nice and even, rub it on, cover the entire surface. And it comes in nice and even. Now, some people may want to use a brush to put it on, but I'll tell you why I don't like using a brush. I'm gonna use a brush and demonstrate how it's not applying it as even as I would like to. So check this out. I'm using a brush right here. And you could see the inconsistency of the brush. Check this out. So it's not consistent. There's some heavy spots, there's some light spot. So that's why I prefer using the rag. I use the rag and then I blend it in. Give it running.
Wait, why are you not beeping no more? Not beeping.
Stop it.
And the numbers not.
So this could be a fun home project. Stain your cabinet, treat it for termite. Stain it, and the next step I will show how to just varnish it. Okay, turn it off on the side and then that one before you install those cabinets. Press it and hold it. Remember, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, working smarter, not harder. You never do that. Welcome back, Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. So today we're gonna apply some sealer to the wood. Yesterday we applied the stain, give it some time to dry, and today we're gonna apply the sealer. Now it's important to note the stain should never be your final finish. It enhances the color, but without putting a sealer or finish coat over it, the stain is gonna rub off. It's not a finish. So I'm gonna apply a coat of sealer today. It seals the stain in, and then probably 2 coats of varnish. It's for an interior piece. It's not gonna be exposed to the weather, so I'm not gonna apply 5-6 coats on. 2 finish coats and I'll be good. So I got some sealer mixed up already, and I'm just gonna apply it with a brush. And this seals the stain, so the stain will not be able to rub off. Let that dry and apply 2 coats of varnish over it. This is what it looks like with 2 coats of sealer. So this is a big enhancement to the color. This is the original wood, and this is with the stain. And as you